like it's gravel. I gotta get a picture of that. Oh man. Big Ray got the hard hat on. Another day we're not gonna forget. Alright, I'm gonna put that bucket of dirt on the truck. Just hook up the trailer now. We're just gonna have to stop. What are we gonna do? You know what I mean? That's the end.